Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Roshan's Cake and Bake. I'm the Roshan in Roshan's Cake and Bake. So I'm going to do a very simple choux pastry for you, which is a light French pastry. So I'm going to add the flour, going to shake it all in there. I'm going to stir that very well to coat the particles of flour. I have 2 piping bags ready. One to do a nice fluted eclair, as the one I'm going to show you here. And then I also have a round tube to make the cream puff. Pipe the ganache onto the eclair to finish it off. Check out the CookHalaal.com website, on which I have given the exact step-by-step instructions as how I've made it right here.